Can I say something?
Watch out for the kids.
You should subscribe to Enigma and Bones. There.
Yeah.
That's gonna get cut out too, isn't it?
I'll have it in somewhere.
Somewhere.
I don't know.
But you should add that part.
No, I'll have
Dude,
it
this is a message to all the tall people. Fuck you.
You're average height.
Fuck, shut the fuck up, man. Like, I try, man. Of course I'm average height. It's not someone so like tall like you, man.
It's genetics.
It's genetics, dude. My father's like almost taller than you.
Yeah, we just about.
Yeah, and yet I'm still shorter. Do you see what my issue is? Fuck genetics, man. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, so
There's like 5 for this way, right behind this
fine.
Okay,
What we need to do,
guys.
we need to push over now. Move down, suppress the fire so that we can take cover.
I think some of us stay here and suppress, and then the rest of us hit.
Okay, we gotta hit.
Shooting low. Jet, second left.
Don't peek. There's a lot of them watching.
Isso com mais, Alright, focus.
Fucking hell.
We need to spread out to the left so we can have more targets for them to see that. And then we press.
Okay.
So let's rank out left. Guys, come on.
Guys, come here. Hit. My guy, jeez.
Yes, good.
Hit. Fuck, I'm out of breath. I'm gonna run for that respawn. Fuck it. Run, Bars, run! Hit! Mate, you're not being very well aware. Sorry, man, I'm using you as a human shield. Hit! What do you say? Alright, watching you.
But I'm blue. Okay.
Darky there, we can't see it. I'm shooting anyone there. Whoever doesn't wear black, we shoot. What?
Punch.
Nice.
Wait.
Stop. Nu komt het.
My bad, it's fluid.
Blue, fuck. Hey guys, they're behind us! Hit! Oh. Hit! I'm yelling at you guys, they're behind us.
Black man.
Over here!
Okay, I'm coming.
Where's my friend?
Right here where I'm shooting.
Where?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do, bud? What are we gonna do?
Hit.
You go down.
Bang!
Hit. Fuck. Ten man moving.
Well, I don't know if that was a hit on my side, but
You want me?
I'm taking it.
I see the other one, bang. You tried fire too?
Huh?
Tried fire too.
Bro.
What?
That's cool.
Oh shit. If you kept quiet, I wouldn't know you were there, by the way. Move to the bomb, yeah, move. Go.
Dead man!
Right, Kai, right in front of you. Sorry, Cameron.
Hit! Huh? No, it was right next to you. Hit!
Hit.
But no, dude, it's all good, dude. This is all good, I'm just saying. For future references.
Dude. I'm not out. Oh yeah, I'm on your team. I completely forgot about that.
Thank fuck.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Back in!
I completely forgot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I completely forgot you're on my team. I'm so used to on the enemy team.
I guess I should probably push this.
Oh, hit! Hit! Count. I was like looking behind you, like he's behind you, he's fucking behind you.